everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna and today we're gonna be making an after sun spray. Summer is here and sometimes just walking outside in the summer heat is devastating to our skin, to my skin in particular. I get sunburns all the time. So I thought I would need a solution that I can apply to my skin to help relieve it after long time exposure to the sun. And I decided to make one for myself using 3 simple ingredients. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to mix it, how to apply it. So let's get to it. First off, the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have some aloe vera gel extracted directly from an aloe vera leaf that I have in my apartment. I can say it's 100% natural. Just extracted it this morning. Next ingredient, I have some rose infused water that I also made myself. And last but not least, some rosehip oil that I didn't make myself. No, I got it in fact from Pure Sonic. As for tools, I have a mixing cup, this is 1 cup, some measuring spoons, and an empty spray bottle. So I'm gonna now get to mixing them. I'm gonna start with the rosehip oil, and I'm going to add half a tablespoon of rosehip oil into the mixing cup. And I'm using rosehip oil because really it's one of my favorite oils to use on my face. It works really well to help heal scars, especially after acne scars, and also skin that's been damaged by sunburn. But the rosehip oil also helps moisturize the skin and helps repair the skin barrier, the natural skin barrier, which is why I like to add it even if in small quantities in a lot of my recipes. However, if you have another carrier oil that you prefer to use on your skin, you can replace this with pretty much any carrier oil of your choice. And next one, I'm going to add the rose water, and I'm going to mix in 1.5 tablespoons of rose water. And the rose water is great to help relieve and repair damaged skin. However, I've also tried this recipe with just cucumber extract, I would say, just like the liquid from the cucumber, and it works great also, so you can also replace it with that. Last but not least, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and I'm trying not to get big chunks of the gel. I'm trying to get like all the liquid because I'm gonna be putting it in a spray bottle and I don't want the big chunks of the aloe vera gel to get stuck. And the aloe vera is great for healing and soothing damaged skin especially, but it's also a great hydrating ingredient to your skin. So the aloe vera in combination with the rosehip oil help bring back both hydration and moisturization to your skin, which helps your skin repair itself after sunburn. And there you have it. After I've mixed all of my ingredients, I am going to pour it into the container. This is my after sun spray, and since I have mixed here oil and water, which obviously separate from each other, I have to shake the butter really well before every use, and then I just apply it directly to my skin. You have to be very careful. I usually spray it if I have to apply it on my arms, my shoulders, because there's no risk of it getting into my eyes, but when I apply it to the skin on my face, sometimes I prefer to use a cotton round or a cotton ball to diminish the risk of it getting into my eyes. So all of the ingredients that I have used here have healing properties or help repair the skin barrier, which is why this works great on your skin when you've had a sunburn. And the aloe vera adds a nice cooling and refreshing effect to it. I recommend keeping the solution in the refrigerator. It makes it last longer. I usually go through a small recipient like this in maybe 2 weeks, and I haven't had problem with it so far. It lasts great even during the summer as long as you keep it in the refrigerator. And like with every other DIY recipe that you would apply to your skin, you have to make sure that you're not allergic or sensitive to any of the ingredients. I recommend doing a patch test if you haven't tried any of these ingredients before. So that was it for this recipe for an after sun spray. I'm curious to know if you've ever tried this or if you do it any different, or what other DIY recipes do you use. So please leave it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!